Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Sir Azrul. Today we would like to present about problem-based task 2 presentation DFS 40122 malware analysis. So before we start our presentation, we would like to introduce ourselves first. So my name is Sharifah Kajian Betisek Omar and nombor mestri 01UT21R Rumah Susah 5. And my teammates are Muhammad Razik Kumaini bin Muhammad Yusri 01UT21R 284, Muhammad Faris Darish bin Elino 01UT21R 231, Sashna 01UT22F 1013 dan Deviani Priya 01UT22F1142. So I will continue about analysis malware samples with basic dynamic malware analysis tool. So for the first, as usual, start the virtual machine by using VMware software. Second, takes any malware sample as input from any resource in VMware environment such as DAS malware, virus share, hybrid analysis. So for our class, we take for the first option, which is DAS malware. Okay, so for the step 1, open Google Chrome in Windows 7 in your virtual box. Steps 2, visit the DAS malware website, open Google and search this website http://dasmalware.eu/. Step 3, download the zip file. So for step 4, once the zip file is downloaded, navigate to the location where it was saved. Right click on the file and select extract all from the context menu. Step 5, click extract the file. Step 6, the file have a password when we want to extract it. So the password is infected. Step 7, follow the specific instructions provided by DAS malware to install and set up the extracted files. Step 8, next, open your new tab in your Google Chrome and search this website about virus total. Step 9, since I already registered an account on the virus total, click to choose file to scan the file that we wanted to know about malicious. Step 10, compress the folder optional if you could not extract it. Virus total can scan individual files, but it cannot directly scan folders. If you want to scan a folder, you need to compress it into a single archive file such as zip or RAR containing all the files you want to check. This process varies depending on your operating system, but most systems allow you to right-click on the folder, choose Send to, and then select Compress Zip Folder. This instruction for those who haven't compressed. But we already compressed our malware folder, then upload the compressed folder. Once you have the compressed folder ready, go back to the virus total website and click on the choose file or select file button. Locate and select the compressed folder on your computer. After we insert the malware folder, it automatically start to scan. This is about summary that we scan a malware folder in virus total provides an overview of the scan results. It typically includes information such as the name of the malware folder, date and time, total number of files scanned, the number of files detected as malicious or suspicious by antivirus engines. The detection ratio represents the percentage of antivirus engines that flag the files as potentially harmful out of the total number of engines used for the scan. Here we can see the 56/70. Security vendors and no-sandboxes flag this file as malicious. Date 4th 12th 2024 and the time is 11:03:48 AM. Next is about the detection section, shows a detailed breakdown of the antivirus engine findings regarding the files in the scan folder. Each antivirus engine used by VirusData contributes to the detection results. The detection information includes the name of the antivirus engine, the status of the file such as clean, malicious, suspicious, or undetected, and sometimes additional information like the name of or type of malware detected. And we get 14 such as Acronis.html, Bitdefender Data, Claim AV, CMC, Grindisoft, NoCloud, MaxSecure, Palo Alto Networks, Quick Hit, Rising, Secure Edge, Super Anti-Spyware, Tashion, Tetris, and Zilia. The detection status provide valuable insight into the malware potential presence in the files. So next is about details. The details section of a malware folder scan in VirusData gives more in-depth information about each file scan results. For files that we detected as suspicious or malicious or basic properties, the details may include the specific malware name, a brief description of the malware's behavior, history, portable execution, imports, content resources, and the overlay. This information can be essential in understanding the potential impact of the malware and the risk it poses. In basic properties, we have MD5, SHA-1, SHA-256, file type, magic, and etc. At history, we have creation time, first seen, first submission, and last analysis. Next is about relations. The relations section in VirusData provides information about any related files or URLs associated with the scan files. This feature helps in identifying if the malware has other components or if it is part of a larger attack campaign. It can also highlight the sources from which the malware might have been distributed or downloaded. We have five relation, which is contacted domains, contacted URLs, contacted IPs, bundle files, and log files. So for the overview of bundle files, the overview of bundle file refers to a summary of the files that are packaged or bundled together with the malware. Malware often comes with additional files or components that are used to carry out its malicious activities. These files can include executable program scripts, configuration files, or even legitimate files that have been modified to include malicious code. Providing an overview of these bundle files helps in understanding the functionality and behavior of the malware. So next is about overview of contacted domains. It refers to a summary of the domain names or web addresses that the malware attempts to communicate or connect with. Malware often establishes communication with remote servers or domains to receive instruction, download additional components, or exfiltrate stolen data. Analyzing the contacted domains helps in identifying the command and control infrastructure used by the malware and understanding its network behavior. Overview of contacted URLs is referred to a summary of the specific web addresses or URLs that the malware accesses during its execution. Malware may interact with various URLs to retrieve malicious payloads, download updates, or perform other malicious activities. Analyzing the contacted URLs provides an insights into the type of resources the malware interacts with and can help identify malicious websites or compromise legitimate websites. Last but not least is about overview of contacted IPs. It refers to a summary of the IP address that the malware communicate with. Malware often establishes connections with remote servers or IPS to carry out its malicious activities. Analyzing the contacted IPS helps in understanding the network infrastructure used by the malware, identifying potential malicious hosts, or even tracking the geographic distribution of the malware's command and control servers. Overview of drop files. It refers to a summary of the files created or dropped by the malware during execution. Malware often creates or downloads additional files onto the compromised system to achieve its objective. These files can include additional malware components, configuration files, log files, or any other files required for the malware's operation. Analyzing the drop files provides insight into the specific artifacts left behind the malware and helps in understanding its persistence, mechanism, functionality, or potential impact on the system. So that's all for me. Next, I will pass to my teammates to continue the presentation. Thank you.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faris Darish Medina of Matrix 01 DT21F2031. So I will be continuing the presentation from Sharifah. Okay. For now, question 5. Answer all the questions regarding to the activity report. So I'll be answering question 1 and question 2. So question 1. From the report, the file network PCAP affected with the malicious or not? Okay. As we can see from the picture right here, so based on the scanning we have made, the file network PCAP is affected with malicious. As for the example, you can see the picture, or from the report by Virus Total, there have been about 50. There have been 56 malicious virus that is affecting the file of network PCAP. Okay. Next is for question 2. If yes, how many antivirus tools recognize the file signature as malicious? Okay. Based on the report we have conduct using Virus Total, there have been 14 antivirus tools that have recognized the file signature as malicious. So based on the picture or from the report, example of the tools have that have recognized the files as malicious is like Avast, AVG, Bitdefender, Alibaba, AliCloud, and etc. So that is all from me. Thank you very much.
A very good day to everyone. I'm Devin Prayasri, Dot of Murthy, and metric number 01DTT 22F1142. Now I'm going to continue with question 3, which is what relationship are connected with this malwares? There are four relationships connected, which is contacted domains, contacted URL, bundle files, contacted IPS, and drop files.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Razik Kumaini bin Muhammad Street. My number is 01DDT21F2084. Okay, now my part is number 4, the date of picket network trace. Okay, now you can look the photo. The photo show that date of network trace for file pickup that have been created when and you can see the creation time, first submission, and last analysis date. And next I will be passed to my member.
Display an interesting analysis that leads you to discover DNS resolution. At this report, we just that is one malware interesting analysis in this report, which is the network traffic. We discover a malware CNS DNS fast flux attempt at uh, no register rule set.
As for the conclusion, the basic dynamic analysis carried out on the network pickup file using virus total made a substantial contribution in our company's computer network security. The findings of this study would have provided direction for more research and assisted in putting in place the necessary security precautions to protect against possible threats. Regular malware analysis practice and use of trustworthy tools like Virus Total are still essential for safeguarding the security and integrity of our computer system as dangerous in the digital world continue to change. So that's all from us. Thank you.